Today's topic for discussion is the description of a specific plant, that is Canavalia gladiata. This plant is commonly known as sword bean and it is the member of family Fabaceae. It is a vigorously growing, deep-rooted, annual to perennial climbing plant. It is commonly called as sword bean, just I told you, and it is commonly grow as a vegetable crop at Karnataka. The pods are used as vegetable. It is a very common in tropical as well as in subtropical parts of India. There are reports of toxicity of mature seeds of this plant, that is Canavalia gladiata. Let us see the details. The habit, it is a perennial climbing herb and often growing as an annual vegetable plant. Pods are used in tender stage as vegetable and root system is branched taproot system. Stem is woody branched. Okay, next. The leaf is pinnately compound, 3 foliate leaf, pubescent on both sides. Shape of the leaf is ovate, color of the leaf is green and leaf is having petiole. Hence the leaf is described as petiolate leaf. And the venation of the leaf, it is reticulate, network of veins present in the leaf. Reticulate venation, it is the characteristic feature of dicot. Phyllotaxy, arrangement of the leaves. Arrangement of the leaves or phyllotaxy is alternate. The leaves are arranged on the stem alternately. Okay. Margin of the leaf, it is wavy entire as shown in the photograph. And apex of the leaf, it is acuminate. At the end a small pointed apex is there. It is acuminate apex. And stipule, what is stipule? Stipule is a small leafy structure. It occurs at the base of leaf and stipule is present. When the stipule is present in the leaf, that is described as stipulate leaf. Okay. And the stipule is small, it is green colored and it is deciduous. Deciduous means shade of annually. Next. Inflorescence. The inflorescence of Canavalia gladiata, it is axillary raceme type of inflorescence. Okay. Peduncle, what is peduncle? Peduncle is the stalk of the floral axis of the plant, that is peduncle. Peduncle is long. And what is axillary racemose type of inflorescence? In this case, the main shoot shows indefinite growth. The mature flowers are present at the basal region and younger buds produced at the top of the axis. The stalks of flowers may have equal length. Next, such type of arrangement of the flowers on flower shoot is described as axillary racemose type of inflorescence. Next, this is the flower of Canavalia gladiata. Flower is pentamerous. Penta means 5. Pentamerous flower. There are 5 petals in the flower and color of flower is very beautiful light violet color, pinkish violet. Okay. Pedicel is present in the flower which is short and that slightly curved and thick. Such pedicel is present in the flower and that when the flower pedicel is present, that is described as pedicellate flower. Okay. And sexuality of the flower, it is bisexual flower or it is hermaphrodite flower because in the flower gynosium as well as Androsium both are present. Hence it is bisexual. Okay. Position of ovary is superior because floral units, they are initiated from the base of the ovary. Hence the ovary is superior. Superior ovary is also described as hypogynous. Okay. Next. This is the calyx. Calyx of the flower. First oral of the flower. Calyx consists of sepals. And here the calyx is shown in the photograph. Large 2-lipped calyx is there. Upper lip is bifid and lower lip is trifid. Okay. Color of the calyx, that is pinkish green, and the sepals in the calyx, they are united. Hence the calyx is described as gamosepalous calyx, and aestivation is volvate because it is gamosepalous. Volvate aestivation is there. Next, this is the corolla of Canavalia gladiata family Fabaceae. Corolla consists of petals, and there are 5 petals in the corolla. And form of corolla, it is a papilionaceous form of corolla. It is a typical corolla of family Papilionaceae. All the plants included in the family Papilionaceae is having papilionaceous form of corolla. It is a characteristic feature of family Papilionaceae. Color of the flower, it is light pink, violet pink. It is very beautiful pink, and as shown in the photograph, and the petals are free. When the petals are free in the flower, that corolla is described as polypetalous corolla. Okay, and aestivation, that is arrangement of the petals in the flower, that is aestivation. How is the aestivation? Aestivation is descending imbricate aestivation. Okay, in papilionaceous form of corolla, out of 5 petals, 1 petal is very large and which is called as standard petal, and there is 1 wing petals which resemble wings of the bird, that is a wing petal, that is called wing petal, and another pair of petal, that is keel petals, or it is boat shaped, hence boat petals also described as boat petals also. Okay, it is a keel petal. Next, this is the Androsium of Canavalia gladiata. Androsium consists of stamens. There are total 10 stamens are present in Canavalia gladiata, and out of 10, 9 stamens are present in one bundle, and another bundle of stamen is having only 1 stamen. Okay, 9 plus 1 arrangement of stamen is there. This type of arrangement is described as Didelphis condition. Okay, Didelphis condition occurs in Canavalia gladiata family Fabaceae. Attachment of the anther to the filament is dorsifixed. See in the photograph, the dorsal side of the anther lobe is attached with the filament. Anther and filament together known as stamen. Okay, and anther is dithecous. Di means 2, dithecous anther, 2 cells. Next, it dehiscence. After maturity of the pollen grains, naturally the anther split open by longitudinal slit. Therefore, dehiscence is longitudinal. Next, this is Didelphis condition of the stamen of Canavalia gladiata shown in the photograph family Fabaceae. Okay, the Didelphis condition of stamen is shown. There are 10 stamen. Out of 10, 9 stamens present in one bundle and 1 stamen is present in another bundle. Such type of arrangement of stamens is termed as Didelphis condition. Next, this is the female part of the flower, that is gynosium. Gynosium consists of ovary, style and stigma. Ovary is superior because floral units originated from base of ovary. Style is slender, long, okay, soft, off-white, and stigma is small, curved. Okay, carpels. If you take the section of ovary, there is only 1 carpel. Hence, the ovary is described as monocarpellary ovary. How is the placentation? Placentation means attachment of the ovule. How is the attachment of ovule or placentation? Placentation in Canavalia gladiata family Fabaceae, it is marginal placentation is there. Next, this is the pod type of fruit, and the pod is linear oblong, and it has marginal placentation. Marginal placentation is shown in the photograph. This is the marginal placentation. The ovules are attached to the margin of the fruit. Next. Thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.